Good day everyone! For today's tutorial video, I will teach you how to assign a performance task for our students using the Planet 42 website. In this website, there are varieties of games that we can choose from and we can assign to our students for them to have fun while they are learning. So first, let us go to our browser. Here I have this Chrome, and then let us search for the website Planet 42 Games, and then we will be directed to this page, and let us click the first page that has a name of Planet 42 Games, Fun Educational Games, and then we will be directed to this page. There are so many fields that we can choose from: physics, geography, history, and so on. For this tutorial, we will go to biology. Here in biology, we can, as what it stated, we can play for free. We can have a variety of choices of what we are gonna play. So for today's tutorial, we will assign a performance task for our students, and we will choose this cell puzzle. After clicking the cell puzzle, we'll be directed to this page. And then if we are here, let us click the first picture, which is this is the game, and we will be directed again to this page. And then for us to assign this game to our performance task to our student, it's better that we already know how this works, so that if there are clarifications or questions, they can ask you and you can respond to them. So to play this, we'll just gonna click start, and then here is the direction. This is in the upper here, this is the organelles, and these two pictures is the cell where we're gonna put the organelles in the right position, and here is the number of how many times we tries. And for this game, we need to aim to have less than 20 tries, so that we can move for another new or knowledge level. And then after that, we can now start for this. For example, here this is the mitochondria, so I will put the mitochondria where this mitochondria must be here. Then it is right, the mitochondria is right. And now mitochondria, we have another mitochondria, so maybe this mitochondria is for the plant cell. Now that is right. So if you completed this DNA puzzle in less than 20 tries, you can go to next level. So now we know how to play this game. So let us assign this game to our student. To assign this game, we just need to copy this link and paste this link to our Google Classroom or to our GC or group chat with our students, together with the instructions. So let us go to Google Classroom. If you do not know how to create a class in a Google Classroom, I will teach you, and it is very basic. If you are to install a Google Classroom, you will be directed to this. And that is the classes I have joined in. So we will create our own classroom. Let's just click this plus sign and create class, and then fill up this form. Class name, we're just gonna put class name science class, and then section mark, room, and the subject, which is science, and create the class. After creating our classroom, we'll just gonna share this class to our students. So to share this class, let us go to this setting, and we can see the class code here. Here in this class code, you can send this class code or share this class code to your students, so that they will join, or they can join your class, or just simply share to them this link. Now we have our classroom, and then we will assign a performance task for our students. So let us click classwork and this plus sign, assignment, and then for our assignment title, because our chosen game was cell puzzle, we will put cell puzzle as their performance task. And then let us put here in the description our instruction for our class. We have pre-made instruction here, and then let's paste this. Now we have the instruction and attachment, which is a link of our chosen game, which is the cell puzzle. We're just gonna copy this link and paste it to our Google Classroom. After that, we can add another link if we have another link for them to open. We can also adjust how many points they can earn, and we can assign the due date for our performance task. And with that, we're just gonna assign this, and done. We have now assigned a performance task for our students using the Planet 42. So, for more videos like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorial. And with that, this ends our video tutorial, and thank you.